Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Thank you for coming. I'm K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. I saw this video on the internet. I thought it wise to bring it to us all. I don't know what you think about the video, but please just watch to the end. Leave your comments in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
We say that they are planning attack in Biafra land. If you watch our program just a few days ago, you will understand that we told you that the attack is coming, and we know that they're going to start burning places. We even told you that they're going to be wearing Biafra emblem and carrying Biafra flag in order to look for evidence, whatever they want to use it for. Because as a matter of fact, the reason why they are going on vacation is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in their custody. The reason why they are going on vacation all of a sudden, abandoning their duties where they are being paid with taxpayers' money, abandon those duties and their job and going on vacation after fixing a date of court. After fixing the date for court hearing and court proceedings, they decided to go on vacation. It's because they have no single evidence against our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They have no evidence of anything against him. So they have to create one. They have to create one. They have started. We know, you know, when we told you people, when they were parading their agent, their paid agent, this one will come out and say, I am ESN member, I eat human being, I eat blood, I do this, I do that. We told them, we exposed them, and they know that they have nothing to offer. They know they have nothing to offer. So what they do now is that they are now on another failed mission. On another failed mission. We also heard about the assassination of an Igbo billionaire. We also heard about the assassination of Igbo billionaire, and this is being orchestrated by the Nigeria DSS. Nigeria DSS. And for you who are today shouting about Nigeria, the same people who want to protect you are the same people who are killing you. We understand that those army officers that they butchered today or they killed today in Enugu State, they shoot some of them from the back. They shoot some of them from the back. We don't understand why Nigeria army will be clashing with ESN in Enugu State. We don't understand what is Nigeria army doing in Enugu State, clashing with ESN. They say clash with ESN. Why would Nigeria army be clashing with ESN in Enugu State when Borno State is burning? Why would Nigeria army be clashing with ESN in Enugu State when Boko Haram have conducted the election and have a governor in Borno State? Why would Nigeria army be clashing with the Eastern Security Network when in Kaduna State every day they go into the school, they go into schools and abduct children unchallenged? Why would Nigeria army be going to Enugu State to clash with ESN, and according to them, they lost 2 soldiers? Fake news. Fake news. They staged this attack. They managed the attack. They staged the attack. They managed the attack. And we must all rise up to condemn them. Everybody must rise up to condemn them, because by the time they continue to sell these lies, if you are not debunking it, by the time they continue to say these lies, before you know it, it will become truth. Not truth per se, But people will begin to talk about it. And let me tell you, what they are doing now is they are going to look for evidence. They don't have evidence against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are looking for evidence. They are going from one forest to another. And when they go to the forest, they start shooting on air. And then before you know it, they have planned with some of the Fulanis that came with them. And then before you know it, somebody will release bullet on the other person's back. And that's the end. We have listened to testimony of a Nigerian army confessing how they shot him from the back because he was killing Boko Haram in Borno State. Have you all not listened to that particular tape? It's a fact. The man was explaining how he was fighting in Borno State, and all of a sudden, one Fulani terrorist who also is in the army was so angered. And what he did is to shoot him from the back. Thank you very much, Slaughters. Let us also not forget about Dr. Lafia's revelation that by 2022, there will begin assassination of prominent Southerners. Prominent Southerners. We told you all that it has started. That 2022, our activities to leave Nigeria did not allow them to have patience. So they started implementing their 2022 policies, actions. They have started implementing it in 2021. So prominent Southerners are going to go down. It was what the Fulani terrorist told Dr. Lafia. Today we have seen how the DSS are helping and aiding them. They assassinated one of our brother in Anambra State. Assassinated him. They bombed his vehicle, killed him. And again, the military in Enugu State, they claim that they went and clashed with ESN. And now they lost 2 soldiers. How would Nigeria army clash with ESN? And you are not hearing us, they are quoting them. Oh, ESN, we have killed 10 of them. Oh, ESN, we have killed 5 of them. We captured 20. We captured 20, we killed 10. All of a sudden, military is not reporting how they capture ESN in Enugu. All of a sudden, bullet of military cannot kill ESN again. Because what we hear all the time, before the abduction of and kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now they are looking for something to hang on. But we are going to tell them, whatever they do is dead on arrival. So all of a sudden, the military is not well equipped. All of a sudden, Nigerian military is not well prepared. I don't know whether they said they repelled and they clashed with ESN. And in the process of this clash with ESN, 2 soldiers died. And Nigerian army did not report how many people or how many so-called ESN were killed. No. They don't kill ESN anymore. It has become now the Nigerian army. And Nigerian army is not even ashamed. No, you know before, they are not reporting it. They say, if any Nigerian army is killed, please don't report it to. Don't report it to. I am surprised. I am surprised how they hurriedly announced this one. Thank you, Ifan Chinedu, for the super chat. Thank you, Still Jeff Joseph, for the super chat. We thank you for supporting the page. So my concern is, why are they so in a hurry now to report that Nigeria army lost 2 soldiers? You know, I really don't understand. Because we've watched, we've listened, we've read in different print media where the army will be struggling to defend, even when we see that they have killed their own. In fact, Nigerian army came to say you should not be reporting all the military personnel that Boko Haram killed. And let me tell you, they are using the media. Channel television, like this person rightfully said, channel television or categorically reporting or authoritatively reporting ESN. Why would the channel television go to report ESN? They want to go and they want to make it up with the caliphate. Because, you know, they find them, they gave them fine the other time, 5 million or something for interviewing IPOB spokesperson. They want to, you know, so, you know, there are questions. We cannot just be taking everything coming from the Nigerian media. We can't be taking it. There are so many questions to be asking. Why would channel television report ESN? Who told them? Who told the channel television that the people that engaged Nigerian military, if at all anybody engaged them, were the military? Have you conducted investigation? Who investigated it? Were the people who engaged them shouting, "We are ESN, we are ESN"? We want to know. These are the questions. So we are responding to channel television. Channel television should, as a matter of fact, apologize to the indigenous people of Biafra on the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We cannot accept this fallacy. We cannot accept this nonsense for you coming out to report that ESN engaged Nigerian military. Who carried out the investigation? We want to also know what was the hour interval. How many minutes after this alleged attack or clash, how many hours, how did you carry out your investigation to have concluded that Nigerian military clashed with ESN? Does it mean that anybody carrying gun that is not on uniform in Biafra land has become ESN? Does it mean that whenever Fulani carry gun, AK-47, and go to a village and kill without anybody noticing, it becomes ESN? Does it mean that whenever anything or any group engage the Nigeria police, engage the Nigeria army, engage the terrorists in Nigeria uniform, it becomes the ESN? We demand the channel television to give explanation to how they arrived at ESN clashed with Nigeria army. We want to know. We want to know how they arrived at that conclusion. And if it was the Nigerian army that they interviewed and the spokesperson told them that is the ESN that they clashed with in Enugu, we want to also know, we want the Nigerian army to tell us how did they arrive at this conclusion that the people that engage them are the ESN members. We need to know. We cannot just, you know, continue to accept everything, every lies, even when we know they are lies that come out of the Nigerian media and the Nigeria security agencies. I want you to listen to this. One moment.
At 2 a.m.
Thank you, Alenora Okoro. Alenora Okoro, you have always supported this page. We thank you for your support and may God bless you. You are one of our biggest sister here. Thank you for always supporting. Biafra is a must, non-negotiable, no retreat, no surrender. Channel and Punch must apologize to Biafran for lies against us. It's inhuman. Exactly.